Asus has launched its new compact size flagship phone in India called Asus 8Z, and it is the same phone that was debuted earlier in the European and Taiwanese market as Zenfone 8. Talking about the specifications, the Zenfone 8Z features a 5.9-inch Full HD plus Samsung E4 AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 1100 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors on the top. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Asus 8Z supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 112° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 12MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX663 sensor. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with Zen UI 8 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 148 by 68.5 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 169 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Asus 8Z has been priced in India at 42,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 7th in Obsidian Black and Horizon Silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Asus 8Z smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.